Jai Hind everyone. So I am here to discuss about the most important topics that is every time asked in the NDA exams, and that is your heart. So दो questions जो है वो heart में से पूछे जाते हैं. So let's discuss. So the study of the heart is called the cardiology. So if you know about where the cardiology word comes from, the heart's muscle itself is made up of the special kind of muscles which is known as the cardiac muscles, and that's why we know the study of the heart is called cardiology. So let's start from the outer covering from the heart. So outer covering of the heart is called the pericardium. Pericardium. And the innermost layer of the heart is called the endocardium. So pericardium is the outermost protective covering of the heart, and the innermost layer of the heart is called endocardium. So as you know that human heart is made up of the four-chambered heart. Okay, so human heart is made up of the four-chambered heart. If I draw the hypothetical diagram, so as you know, so I will explain with the help of diagram. Next, superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. बेटा जो सुपीरियर वेना केवा एंड इंफीरियर वेना केवा है, they carries the deoxygenated blood from the lower part of the body and upper part of the body. Okay, because this vena cava means, what is the means of vena cava? Vena cava word comes from the veins, and veins always carries the impure blood, that is deoxygenated blood. Okay, so inferior vena cava carries the deoxygenated blood from the lower part of the body, and superior vena cava carries the deoxygenated blood from the upper part of the body, and the whole deoxygenated blood is pours into the right atrium, which is called the right atrium. Now right atrium is filled with the deoxygenated blood. This right atrium, and this is called the, below the right atrium there is a ventricle. There is a ventricle which is called the right ventricle. Okay. So from deoxygenated blood from the right atrium comes to the right side of the ventricle with the help of the valve, and that valve is called the tricuspid valve. This is very important question, every time asked in every exam. The valve present between the right atrium and the right ventricle, there is a tricuspid valve. Now from tricuspid valve is open, and this deoxygenated blood goes to the right ventricle. Now right ventricle is filled up with the deoxygenated blood. Now it has to be oxygenated. So what will be the next part? The right ventricle will go to the lungs. Here I will draw the lungs in a hypothetical diagram. Okay, so lungs में जो deoxygenated blood होगा, that has to be oxygenated. But कौन सी वेन है which carries this blood to the lungs? This is the important question. यहाँ से पूछा जाता है. तो right ventricle से जो deoxygenated blood lungs को लेके जाएगी, that will call the pulmonary artery. So here is the major exception, the pulmonary artery. So pulmonary artery carries the deoxygenated blood. As you know that arteries always carry oxygenated blood, but pulmonary artery is the exception which carries the deoxygenated blood from the right side of the ventricle to the lungs for the oxygenation. Now there is the lungs where the alveoli is the special kind of balloon-like structures present in the lungs, where the final exchange or the diffusion of the gases takes place. Now carbon dioxide blood will changes into the oxygenated blood. Now from the lungs, this oxygenated blood will back to the heart. Okay, now will back to the heart, but this oxygenated blood will come with the help of pulmonary vein. This pulmonary vein carries the oxygenated blood. But as I told you that veins always carry deoxygenated blood. So here is again exception, that pulmonary vein carries the oxygenated blood. Okay, this is important. Now pulmonary vein, this oxygenated blood will bring from the lungs to the left. There is a left atrium. Okay, now left atrium, and there is a left ventricle. This is a left ventricle. Now from left auricle the deoxygenated blood will comes to the left ventricle with the help of this valve. This valve is called the mitral valve, or the other name of the mitral valve is called the bicuspid valve. Okay, क्या बोलते हैं हम bicuspid valve? mitral valve बोल दो या तो bicuspid valve. Okay, so what you have to keep in your mind that the right side of the heart always carry deoxygenated blood and the left side of the heart always carry oxygenated blood. Now from the left ventricle there is a major artery which is called as the aorta, which is called as the aorta. From aorta this oxygenated blood will expel or push into the whole body. So this is the normal working of the heart. Okay, so I will tell you about this diagram also, hypothetical diagram. So as I told you about, there is a 4 chamber in the human heart: right auricle, right ventricle, left auricle and left ventricle. The superior vena cava and inferior vena cava carries the deoxygenated blood towards the right auricle, and from right auricle the blood will goes to the right ventricle, and from right ventricle blood oxygenation. Now oxygenated blood will back to the left ventricle, and from left ventricle the oxygenated blood will goes to the left ventricle, and from left ventricle there is a major blood vessel which is called as the aorta, and from aorta the blood will push to the whole body. So this is all about the normal physiology or the working of the heart. That's all.